Kung si former national coach Raiko Toroman ang tatanungin, kayang umabante ng Gilas Pilipinas sa medal round ng men's basketball ng 17th Asian Games kahit pa nga wala si naturalized player Andre Blatch. May report si Snow Badwa.
Buo ang paniniwala ni former national coach Raiko Toroman na malaki ang tsansa ng Gilas Pilipinas na umabante sa medal round ng Incheon Asian Games. Ito'y kahit pa si original naturalized center Marcus Douthit lamang ang makakasama ng pambansang kupunan. Ayon kay Toroman, subok na sa mga international tournament si Douthit kung saan tinulungan pa nga ng 6'11" slotman ng Pilipinas na makabalik sa world basketball scene.
It's opportunity now to Marcus to play on Asian Games. I think that Marcus did a great job for Philippine basketball. He stayed there for 5 years. He was helping the team. His help was tremendous. And I think that there is no sorry that everybody must be proud with Marcus, the Filipino, and him. And I think that it's a win-win combination for him and for the Philippine basketball that he was 5 years there.
Gayunpaman, aminado si Toroman na hindi kasing explosive ni Andre Blatch si Douthit.
He will help a lot. You know, because there is only one big guy in Philippine roster, that's Fajardo. And Marcus will be big help for the national team.
Okay.
Si Blatch ang orihinal na nasa lineup ng Gilas Pilipinas para sa Asian Games. Pero dahil hindi siya pinayagang maglaro ng mga organizers, si Douthit ang isinusulong ngayon ng national coaching staff na pumalit sa kanyang pwesto. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Snow Badwa, PTV Sports.